Welcome to episode 3 of the Sussex Solution. My name is Elizabeth DeTemple, and today we'll be speaking with our VP of Sales and Marketing, Ed Fabizak, who will be going into sustainable manufacturing and recycled resins. So we want to take you behind the scenes, talk about how we use recycled resins in our manufacturing processes, and show you how we meet the needs of today without compromising the needs of the future. Take it away, Ed.
Well, implementing a more sustainable solution, we utilize what we call regrind, which is all plastic scrap is saved. We send nothing to landfill, and we reuse it within our production processes. What we don't use, we sell on the open regrind market. In addition, from a water standpoint, we have a zero discharge facility. All of our cooling circuits are closed cycle, so once they're loaded, they're continually purified and used throughout the process. And probably lastly, when we look at post-industrial or post-consumer recycled plastics, we use both in our process. We've been a long time user of post-industrial, as regrind would be part. We also buy on the open market for that. In terms of post-consumer, we've been an early developer of that, and we've got a number of products that we run PCR product in. Sussex utilizes recycled resins whenever possible. In the past, it's been fairly infrequent, really driven by costs. In the current environment, though, more and more consumers are demanding it as part of the requirement to get to full circle recyclability. While using recycled plastics is attractive, obviously, to the marketplace, it's very difficult from a processor standpoint because of the variability of material properties through the process. And what we've learned through running it is that in terms of the design of the tool, the process, it needs to be carefully calibrated to allow wider fluctuation in material properties.
Ed, so can you tell us about some of the projects we've worked on that have included PCR?
We've got a long heritage of working with PCR. Probably one of the most notable is with the world's largest cosmetics company. We developed a compact using post-consumer recycled resin that was launched into the market, got a lot of notoriety within that area, and is still in the market today.
And most recently, we've partnered with 4Ocean and Breathewire on pulling plastic from the ocean to create a frame for face masks. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Interesting project. We worked with the design team that was developing the frame. So we developed it such for design for manufacturing, and then expanding it to the fact where we're going to using variable material coming from post-consumer recycled resins that's actually pulled out of the ocean, pelletized, and then put into a reusable product.
And for every one you purchase, a pound of plastic is pulled from the ocean. So pretty neat.
Lots of claims.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, Ed, thanks for joining us on this month's episode.
Well, thanks for having me.
Of course. So be sure to stay tuned for next month's episode of the Sussex Solution. If you have any questions about Sussex IM and sustainability and the use of recycled resins, feel free to visit our website or reach out to us directly. Also, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know when the next video is coming. See you next month.